good taco? Huh? Oh, it's a baby. Oh. What are you so silly for? What are you so silly for? What are you so silly for? Huh? Where are you going? Going over by Burt? What? 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 Oh, it's a silly boy. Oh, it's a silly boy. Oh. You little old man. What? What are you doing? Huh? Why are you looking so cute? Where are you going? Oh, you want to play with... Oh, Burt, was he trying to play with you? Taco! 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 Oh, puppy, puppy. He's a silly boy. Oh, he's a silly boy. I see you. I see you. Oh, he's being playful. Oh, he's being playful. Oh, he's being playful. What you doing there? Huh? What you doing, Burt? What you doing? Birdie bird. He's like, nope, not today. Taco. Where you going? What you doing? Why are you looking so cute? Huh? Why are you looking so cute? Oh my goodness. What? Where's Lewis? Huh? Where's Lewis? Lewis is taking a nap, huh? Is Lewis taking a nap? Where are you going? You want to go outside? You want to go potty? Oh, look at Burt's like, yeah, let's go outside, Mama. Let's go outside. There's Lewis. Lewis is sleeping. Oh, yes, Mama. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Okay.